Hello, ma'am. My name is Parvyashra. I am a girl, 4 years old. I study in Gurre Public School.
What is the date today?
Today is Wednesday.
And date?
Date, okay. 20 January 2021.
Very good. What we will do today? I know more letters.
I know more letters.
Write the first letter of the given pictures.
Lie down the given and pictures.
Yes. Which picture is this?
Umbrella.
Say it in sentence.
This is umbrella.
Which sound is coming in? Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Which letter will you write for the sound?
Letter U.
Write it down.
Okay.
Yes. What is this?
The dog.
Which letter will you write for the sound? The.
The letter D. Standy line. All and the curve.
Which picture is this?
Sun.
Which letter will you write for the sound?
Letter S.
Which picture is this?
This is boy.
Which sound is coming in? Boy.
B. Boy.
Which letter will you write for the sound? B.
B. Letter B.
Write it down.
Okay. Standy line. All and the curve. All and the curve.
Which is the next picture?
This is jelly.
Which sound is coming in? Jelly.
J.
Which letter will you write here?
J. Letter J.
Write it down.
Okay. Sleepy line. Standy line. All and the curve.
Very good. Which picture is this?
This is pen.
Pencil.
Pencil.
पेन अलग होता है, ये पेंसिल है. आपके हैंड में क्या है?
Pencil.
पेंसिल है ना?
हाँ
Which
जी.
sound is coming in? Pencil. Which letter will you write here?
Letter P.
Write it down.
Standy line. Curve.
Beautiful. Which picture is this?
Palette.
Which letter will you write here?
Palette.
Which letter has the sound? P?
Letter P.
Write it down.
Okay.
Which picture is this?
This is rose.
Which sound is coming in? Rose. Which letter will you write for the sound?
थोड़ी से आगे आ जाओ मम्मा.
Which letter will you write here?
Rose.
Letter.
Letter R.
Write it down.
Standy line. Curve. Standy line.
Very beautiful. Now we will circle the correct letter for given.
Given pictures.
Yes, identify the picture first. Which picture is this?
Rabbit.
Which letter will you circle here? Letter.
Letter R.
Circle it.
Circle it. Okay.
Beautiful.
ये भी circle चाहिए.
This is
This is
capital R.
capital R, small r.
Yes. Now which picture is this?
Ball.
Which letter will you circle for sound? B.
Letter B.
Circle it.
Okay.
Say it along.
This is ball.
And this is
Small ball. Big ball. Capital ball. Small ball.
capital B and small b.
अच्छा, capital B. Small b.
Which picture is this?
This is socks.
Which letter will you circle here?
Socks.
Letter.
Letter S.
Circle it.
Okay.
Say it along.
This is letter S.
Which is the capital and which is small one?
This capital S. This is small S.
Okay. What is this?
Up.
Which letter has the sound A?
Up.
Letter?
Letter U.
Circle here.
Okay.
Which is the next picture?
D.
पहले picture बताओ. What is this?
This is doll. Doll.
Which letter will you circle here?
The D.
Yes. Tell me which one is capital and which one is small.
This capital D. This small D.
Yes. Which is the next picture?
This is peacock.
Yes. Which letter will you circle for sound P?
Peacock.
Circle the correct letter.
Okay.
Letter?
Letter P.
Yes.
Capital P. Small P.
Yes. Which is the next picture?
This is jam.
Which sound is coming in jam?
Jam.
Which letter will you circle?
J.
Very good.
Correct.
Circle it.
I have done my work. Thank you. And I said bye.
Bye.